Welcome students. Today's topic is number system. In this section we cover classification of numbers, divisibility, remainder theorem, last digit and number of zeros. Some extra topics such as sum and binary topics. These are additional but we include in this top section. Firstly we discuss number classification of numbers. Natural numbers which are counting used in counting, the most familiar numbers, and they start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. 0 is not included in natural numbers, but when 0 is included in natural number then it becomes whole numbers. Then we define whole number is equal to the natural number plus 0, and whole number include 0 to infinite and natural number 1 to infinite. Integers minus infinite to infinite, that numbers is called integers, but without fractional components. Rational numbers, a number that can be expressed as a fraction in the p by q format, but q is not equal to 0, means denominator is not 0. Real numbers, it includes all the rational numbers such as integers, fractions and all irrational numbers is called real number. Imaginary numbers are those numbers which can be used just imagine but cannot physically represent. Root minus 1 shows the imaginary and it represented by I. Square root of all imaginary numbers is imaginary. Complex number, combination of real and imaginary number is called complex number. Imaginary and complex number is not included in aptitude section, but we clear. Even numbers, an integer that is evenly divided by 2. In other way, when a number is divided by 2, then that number is always even number, such as 2, 4, 8, 16, 28, 32, etc. Odd numbers, all natural numbers which are not even number are called odd numbers, but in other way we can say that which natural numbers are not divided by 2, then that numbers are called odd numbers. Prime numbers, most important numbers, an integer which are greater than 1 and divide by only itself and 1 are called prime numbers, such as 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. Co-prime numbers, if the only positive integers that divide by both of them is 1. Example 13 and 14. 14 is divided by several numbers and 13 is divided by itself or 1, but 13 and 14 both has SCF 1, then that numbers are called co-prime numbers. Co-prime number has always SCF 1, otherwise they are not co-prime number. Composite numbers, which numbers has more than 2 factors, then that numbers are called composite numbers. Again, some important points. Number 1 is neither divisible nor prime number. Two consecutive odd prime numbers are called prime pair. All natural numbers are whole, rational, integer and real. All whole numbers are rational, integer and real. All whole numbers are rational and real. All whole numbers are rational and rational numbers are real. Then these important points are important to learn. Any prime number can never be composite number. Fractional are irrational. All prime numbers except 2 are odd. 11th point is important. All prime numbers except 2 are odd, or 2 is the only even prime number. 0 is neither negative nor positive number. The sum and the product of two rational numbers is always the rational number. Pi is an irrational number. Then these important points are given. First, 0 is what type of number? Earlier we know 0 is 0 is whole number, prime number, real number, both 1 and 2 and 1 and 3. Whole number and real number. 0 is a real number because it included minus infinite to in plus infinite. Then it is real number. Whole number means if natural number is not include 0 but whole number includes 0, then this is whole number. Then option 5th is correct. Minus 4 is what type of number? Minus 4 means it is real number, first property, real number and whole number and integer. Real number and integer. Whole number is not minus 4. Then real and integer. Then fourth option is correct. Which of the following are whole numbers? 4 minus 4 minus 0.5 1 by 4, none of these. Then 4, first option is the correct whole number. Which one is true? Then that examples are most important and we explain. You can read and write the correct answer. What is the second smallest odd prime number? Second smallest odd prime number is 3 or 5. The first smallest odd prime number is 3 and the second smallest prime number is 5. The second option is the correct answer. Which of the following is a co-prime number? We earlier say co-prime number has always SCF 1. Then option 4 is incorrect, option 3 is incorrect, option 2 is incorrect. Option 1 is the correct answer because 4 and 5 has SCF 1. Which number is neither prime nor composite? Option 4, 1 is neither prime number nor the composite number. 15 is a composite number, 41 is a prime number, 18 is a composite number. Then option 4 is the correct answer. All prime numbers are odd. Is it? False, because 2 is a even prime number. What is the place value of 9? 9 place value 9 0. Then option first is correct. Which number is rational but not integer? Rational but not integer. Then option 4, 2.5 is rational. 2.5 is written as 25 by 10. Then it is P by Q form but not integer. Integer means whole number. Whole number means minus infinite to infinite whole number. Then divisibility. We say that divisibility by 2. All even numbers are divisible by 2. Means unit digit is either 0 or 2 is divisible by 2. Divisibility by 3. If the sum of digits of number is divisible by 3, then that number is also divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4. If the last two digits of the number is divisible by 4, then number is also divisible by 4. If the number ends with 5 or 0, then that number is divisible by 5. Divisibility by 6, divisibility by 2 and divisibility by 3. When that number follow divisibility by 2 and divisibility by 3 both, then that number also divisible by 6. In other way, if the number exactly divisible by 2 and 3, then it also divisible by 6. If the last three digit of the number is divisible by 8, then the number is also divisible by 8. Either last three digits are 0. If the sum of the digit of number divisible by 9, that number is also divisible by 9. Divisibility by 10. If number has unit digit 0, then that number are divisible by 10. Some other divisibility factors such as divisibility by 12. Any composite number, we can utilize these numbers. Divisibility by 12 means when a number is divisible by 3 and 4 both, then that number also divisible by 12. Divisibility by 15, when a number is divisible by 3 and 5 both, then that number is also divisible by 15. Divisibility by 14 means when a number divisible by 2 and 7 both, then that number is also divisible by 14. Divisibility by 18, when a number is divisible by 2 and 9 both, then that number is also divisible by 18, and so on. Remainder theorem: when a number divided by a certain number, then it keeps remainder 0 or a certain number. Then in next lecture we clear the remainder theorem in particular way and take a separate session of the remainder theorem. Here is the sum. Sum of the first n natural numbers shows n plus 1 by 2. Sum of first n even numbers, that means n plus 1. Sum of first n odd numbers, n square. Sum of square of first n natural numbers, n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Sum of first n cube of first n natural numbers, n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Then some examples: find the sum of all natural numbers from 1 to 50. Then we apply first formula, n plus 1 by 2, n last digit is 50, n plus 1 by 2, then answer is 1275. Find the sum of even number from 2 to 10. First n even numbers, n into n plus 1. Then we count 2, 4, 6 and 8. Total 5 even numbers. 5 into 6 is 30. Find the sum of odd number from 1 to 17. Total odd numbers we count and then apply. Then total odd numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 odd numbers, 9 square 81. Find the sum of square from 1 to 18. Then we apply formula and then calculate. N is 18. Find the sum of cube of 1 to 12. N value is 12 when we apply formula and then calculate. Answer is 5084. Last digit is an important topic. First we say 1. When a number is unit digit is 0, 1, 5 or 6, then their unit digit never change. For 1, 5, 6, unit digit will be remain same. 0 as well, the unit digit remains same. 4 and 9 follow the cyclicity of 2. When power is odd, then their value is remain same, and when power is even, then their values is 6 and 1. When 4's power is odd, remains value 4, unit digit 4, power even, unit digit 6. 9 power odd, unit digit 9, 9 power even, unit digit 1. 2, 3, 7 and 8 follow the cyclicity of 4. Then we check by using formula. Here find the last digit of 20,373 whole power 130. We apply formula. Power 130 is divided by last two digit of power divided by 4. Then 1 means 30 is divided by 4. Remainder z is equal to 3. Then 3 power 3. 3 power 3. Then remainder is 2. Then 3 power 2 is 9. Find the last digit 8. We cyclicity by 4. 28 divided by 4 means remainder 0. 8 power 4. 8 power 4 means, and power, final answer is 6. Number of zeros at the end of the product. We always get a 0 when 5 is multiply an even number and the smallest even number is 2. Then we calculate the number of zeros in a way to calculate number of pairs of 5 and 2. In this example, 45 into 15 into 42, many even numbers are available, but 45 and 15 has only two 5 numbers. Then in total calculation, combination of 5 and 2 are becomes 2. Then total number of zeros are always 2. Binary logic are easy, and you know how to calculate in binary numbers. And binary number is also not included in the aptitude section, but it is a little bit important, and you follow the addition rule, subtraction rule, multiplication rule, and basically we know we can convert the binary logics, and binary to decimal and decimal to binary is most little bit important in this section, and nothing. Okay, thank you. Reminder theorem and the other topics and their practice questions are discussed in next section. Okay, thank you.